In this video, I'm going to provide a short object lesson on anger using balloons. Just everyday balloons that you can purchase at your local department store. And what I want to talk to you about is anger. It's an emotion that everyone has. It occurs when there's grief, when there's conflict, and understanding this complex emotion is vital to dealing with everyday daily events. But one doesn't have to experience anger directly as a concrete experience in order to gain a better understanding of it. And that's why I'm using balloons today. I want you to think of this as your patience. And throughout the day, events will occur. I'll stretch your patience. May occur over time, over a week, longer, but just stretching your patience. Sometimes you're going to become angry. And as I blow air into this balloon, I want you to think of that as the anger going into here. A little bit of anger, a little bit of frustration. I'm going to go talk to somebody about it. I'm just going to vent. Just going to release that anger. What happens with anger is that we think we can control it, but it's very unpredictable. It is naturally occurring. As I said, it's a part of the grief process. It happens in conflict. It happens when we are working with other people and they have different values than what we do, different opinions, different attitudes. We're all working on a common goal, common mission, a deadline. Think of in the workplace, what occurs there. Again, as I said, patience has been stretched, you've become angry, and that's what I have in here is anger. And what I'm going to do is I'm thinking that I'm in control of it, and I'm going to direct it towards someone, something, and I'm just going to aim it towards you as an example. I'm going to let go of my anger, and it veered off. Kind of went towards you, but then it veered off, and that's a lot of times what happens with anger. It becomes displaced, and other individuals get hurt. As I said, it just naturally occurs, and a lot of times we think we can control the anger. I'm going to try this a second time, and I'm going to control it this time. Again, I've become angry, my patience has been stretched, and I'm going to direct it. And again, I'm going to try and direct it towards you. We're going to see what happens. Again, it veered off. And a lot of times that's what happens with anger. I'm going to do it one more time, 3 times. Was it 3 strikes and you're out, or 3rd time you're lucky? Anyway, I'm going to try this one more time. And again, I think I can control my anger, and I'm going to direct it towards that person or that thing that has made me angry, and I believe that this is going to resolve the issue by directing this anger and releasing it this way. So again, we're trying towards you, and you see it veered off. And a lot of times that's what happens with anger, and that's what I want you to understand in this video. It's a part of life. It's naturally occurring. It occurs in the grief process. Happens with conflict daily, but we need to understand it. Through understanding it, we will be able to come up with better solutions and strategies as dealing with it, whether that is in the grief process or in workplace violence and conflict management or conflict resolution.